for the crowd. Chris Engelsman is on course. This is gonna hit step it up to some nether knots. And nice front board. Brian Thompson, that's frontside board by the stage. Got all the strong on the rider's left.
I've had a little experience with the step-up rail, but this one was way bigger than that one. Just because, like, I don't know, it just seems so much longer on that second half. So I don't know, it was scary. Yeah, and that too. Like in Chile, I had a bit of run out for the landing, so I could go as fast as I want. And, man, that's why I got rocked. Is I basically landed at the wall and tried to turn and just slipped out and like racked up. I just closed my eyes. I'm all and then like I'm like laying there and I'm like, oh, it's done. And then I fall off the top down. I was just like, sweet.
Engelsman.